Sí, güey. Se me... No sé, güey, que como que se me apagó el audio. Bueno, pues... Sin miedo al éxito. Sin miedo al éxito. Y que... Vamos con el video. Chale, ni modo, ya le tocaba. Chale, ni modo. Ya le tocaba a Javi.
Final log. In relation, experiment 1006, the prototype. Coordination and cooperation is evidently within his skill set, as well as the skill set of all other experiments of his type. Though still missing, today's events are no doubt in relation to him. His absence was a flaw in the scientific process, which should have under no circumstances been left unaccounted for. That's why I'm making this log, so that the same mistake won't be made twice. Any future experiments will need to be contained and disposed of in a secure location. I'm not worried about myself. One breakthrough and I'll be back. We must forge onwards in the name of science, whether those who are beneath us understand it or not. End of...
Si hubiera jugado el juego, o sea, si yo si hubiera algo en el 2021 no hubiera salido el rojo. O sea, en el 2021 cuando salió todo 30 y nadie sabía, porque nadie sabía del capítulo 3 y ahora estamos por el capítulo 4, ya que... Y ahora esta pinche Poppy me va a traicionar en el capítulo 4. No, eso no me gusta. Me va a traicionar, Poppy, mira. A eso a mí no me gusta que me traicione. Mira. ¿No?
You opened my case.
Flaker. Chapter número 1. Eso fue todo de Poppy Flaker, capítulo 1. Pero bueno. Poppy 32. Hola. Muy bien. 1991.
Playtime Co.'s new patented elastic plastic, you can stretch, pull, and twist Mommy Longlegs in the craziest ways. She loves watching you play. When you're having fun, she's having fun. The new Mommy Longlegs from Playtime Co. What's the time?
Playtime. Ya, no sé,
Wake up.
Wake up. Bobby Playtime capítulo 2. Bla bla bla. ¿Quién movió esto? Hablaron algo y voy a edit. Ya regresé, Elliot Ludwig. La mano a María.
Playtime Co. is the product of a great man by the name of Elliot Ludwig, divorced but a family man at heart. His sights were always set on bringing amazing toys to amazing children around the globe. Ludwig spent countless hours in the factories, working overtime relentlessly in an attempt to continuously innovate and surprise. In the 1960s, an unfortunate family death had pushed Ludwig down to his lowest. But with so much ambition, he rose back up and continued to fulfill his vision for the Playtime Co. toy factory. Ludwig could never be content leaving a project unfinished. But just how did one man come to create such an astounding empire? How did he manage to stay determined even after suffering such a tragic loss? It all began in the fateful year of 19...
I wanted to thank you for freeing me. I was stuck in there for so long. Thank you. I'd like to pay you back. There's a train station nearby. It needs a code, and I have it. We're gonna get out of here. As soon as you get on up here. Come on. Hey, I'm up here. I see you. I should be able to follow you through the fence. This way. Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
Goku.
train code to escape. Now, how is that fun? Instead, why don't we make a game out of it? The game station is still working. It will be just like old times. And
Dame mi
if you
mano
win our
roja.
free games, I'll give you the train code.
A
Mama
ver.
loves that idea, Puppy. Oh, you're going to have so much fun.
No hablo tan
Head to
claro.
musical memory, and Mommy will get things started. Obey the rules, or I'll tear you apart and eat your insides while you're still alive.
Otro feo.
Preparing for departure in 3, 2, 1. Tickets, please! Tickets!
Así ya, no puedo. Fuera, fuera.
Her name is Kissy, Kissy Missy. Be safe and have fun.
Eso no fue un pedo que te tiraste, vos.
Preparing for departure in 3, 2, 1.
Hi kids, welcome to the game station. I'm Stella, and we've got 3 super duper fun games to play. These little tests show us just how crazy strong and smart you are. Follow Mommy Longlegs down the stairs, and we'll start by playing musical memory. See you in a bit.
Vamos a ver cómo ahí está Poppy. Ahí está Poppy. Quítese usted. Vamos. Yo estoy generado. Todo eso, botón. A mí.
I know when your birthday is. June 28th.
Botón, démosle. Primero.
Welcome to Musical Memory. This advanced memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works. A sequence of colors will be shown, and you must recreate the exact sequence using the buttons around you. Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up. When you input a pattern incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster. If Bunzo reaches you, your test is over. The test will become more difficult as it continues, with longer patterns in quicker
Yo
succession.
no hablo para acá.
That's all. Good luck.
Sí, sí, sí. Oye, también está grande. De generación.
Oh, isn't it amazing? Mommy hasn't seen the place up and running in years.
Que yo no hablo
Mommy can only imagine how excited Bunzo must be. It's been such a long time since he's been able to play, to cheer, to eat.
Oye, trampa.
That's the dinner bell. Good luck.
Tú tienes que escucharme.
Red,
Red.
red,
Va.
green. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue, red. Red, green, blue, red, blue. Round 2. Red. Red, blue. Red, blue, green. Red, blue, green, blue. Red, blue, green, blue, blue. Red, blue, green, blue, blue, violet. Round 3. Blue. Blue, white. Blue, white, orange. Blue, white, orange, red. Blue, white, orange, red, white. Blue, white, orange, red, white. Blue, white, orange, red, white, orange. Round 4. Blue. Blue J. Blue J heart. Blue J heart J. blue, J, heart, J, Y, violet. Blue, J, heart, J, Y, violet.
Oye, eso es trampa, mi derecho. Oh, ya plan serio, güey, pero ojalá que comience el nivel 5. Si es del 1 no me gustaría ya. Entonces eso es trampa ya, es mi derecho. Mi derecho de inicio.
J,
Bien.
J, heart. J, heart, orange. J, heart, orange, Y. J, heart, orange, Y, red.
Wow.
Round 5. White teeth, the quality orange, white, red, smile like a massive J, ravenous, Y, orange, massive, violet, ravenous, J, turquoise, smiley face, Amanda, smile like Amanda.
Haha.
Oh, it broke. That's no fun. For doing such a splendid job, Mommy has decided to give you part of the code for the train.
Que yo no hablo tacataco.
Look on. Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer. It's okay though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you.
Es que todavía me... Escúchame, se la pelea, ¿no? Se perdió.
Wanna hear a dino joke? With one for the question, click again for the punchline.
La 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 la. Yo no... del futuro. Y está un poquito a YouTube. Como lo tengo. ¿Cuántas puntos de tiempo? Que no va a salir. No sé, güey. Bueno. Y pues voy a esto para que no sea más largo. Ya estamos aquí. Ahora, quiero intentar. Sí, ya sé. Esto. A ver, por orden, miren. Ya sé. Miren. ¿Sí es, güey? Sí, así es. Colores. Vamos a hacer por orden. Rojo. Así que amarillo, azul, amarillo, rojo. Hmm. Hay que ver esto bien. A ver, rojo primero. Amarillo, azul, rojo, amarillo, azul, rojo. No, güey. Si lo hacemos al revés. Azul, amarillo, azul, rojo. Azul, amarillo, azul. Rojo, amarillo. Azul, amarillo. Vamos a ver los colores.
Whoa, you did fantastic! Who gave you permission to be this smart? Mommy is
Y llegamos. Que yo no me muero.
Welcome to Wacko Wuggy. This advanced test is designed to assess
Listo.
The toys in this game used to have strings attached to them, so they
No
could
hablen,
be
bro.
pulled back when they
Tu
got
cara de
too
Avelina.
close to the children.
Avelina.
Have fun. Oh, you did it. Hooray! Mommy is so proud of you. Here, Mommy has another hint for
Señor. Rojo, amarillo, rojo, azul. Rojo, azul. Mami, el azul.
you.
Mommy, azul.
Game left to play.
Azul,
Sad.
azul.
Mommy was hoping you'd stay here forever.
Me largo de aquí. Ya me voy a ir. Pero vamos a ver qué es Messi. La grande. Y esa fuerza, además es como Hollywood, hermanito. Y sí. Encontramos todo este tiempo. ¿Qué es eso?
Oh, not at all, sir.
That's what I like to hear.
So,
Marcus,
Yeah.
what happened?
you see, I was heading home for the day when my AFRs realized that I left my bloody wallet in the cafeteria. So I'm running through the lobby, and that's when I see it. A mob handle lodged under the innovation wing gate.
So what'd you do, Marcus?
Well, I just thought I'd nab the bloody yoke and be on me merry way.
And?
Well, I'm reaching for the thing, and the mob handle...
Los colores. Transición en el... Ya estamos aquí. Así que... Inventario. Personajes. Vamos a ver. Coincide, sí coincide. Colores. Rojo, amarillo, rojos. Rojo, amarillo, rojo. ¡Hala! ¡Hala! Papi, no nos vamos juntos. Escuchamos.
I was so scared she'd put me back in that case. But you saved me. You're perfect. Too perfect to lose. I'm sorry. I can't let you leave. I've never met anyone like you. Do you know how long I've been stuck in that case?
Gracias, me traicionó.
Well, too long. I had so much time to think and reflect. Time to figure out exactly what I would do when free. We'll set things right. Terrible things have happened. But I know that whatever I need you to do, you're capable. We will. What if...
A la gran. Sigo vivo. Sigo vivo. ¡Me lo pasé! ¡Soy el primero que me lo he pasado! Matar a Mommy y a Lot. No soy el primero, creo. ¿Sabes quién más se lo ha pasado así? He rompido las leyes de la física. ¿Cómo? No sé. Solo necesité esos dos códigos. Y lo hice sin querer. Lo iba a hacer normal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y me equivoqué. 1, 2, 4, 3. Y ese error me llevó a esto. Sí, güey. Ya voy para el 3, pero el 3 más largo. Y ahí ya no hay manera de adelantarse. Así que sería el 1 y el 2 seguidos. El 3 lo voy a subir a otra parte. Ahí no me pregunté. No, miré, diamante.